If you're a music educator looking to up your game in this media-rich period of education by learning to create your own videos, have I got great news for you. Entitled Lights, Camera, Learning, Video in Music Education, this 3-credit graduate course will cover topics of interest to music educators today, especially in this media-rich environment in which we teach that sometimes even calls us to create blended learning or distance learning content. Offered by the University of the Arts, Lights, Camera, Learning allows video novices to learn basic to intermediate video production techniques, while participants with more experience and confidence will have the flexibility to go deeper into advanced topics as they learn. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, while a well-crafted video is worth 10,000. If you're trying to offer additional help to a student who needs it outside of class, or maybe you want to challenge some really highly proficient students with some additional material, or maybe you're teaching a unit on video scoring, or maybe you just want to have your own YouTube channel. For all of these reasons and more, this is the class for you. Here's what recent students in Lights, Camera, Learning had to say about the benefits of this class.
It was kind of exciting once you get going to see all the things you can do.
Now I'm finally seeing that I can do a lot of the things that I've been wanting to do.
I got so excited using this because I'm like, this does all this really cool stuff. If I want to annotate something a certain way or show something, I'm sort of a little overwhelmed by everything, but also like I just kind of really enjoy doing it.
It's exciting what you can do having no experience and just going through tutorials that you gave us.
Well, first of all, I really loved watching your videos and learning a lot, getting ideas for maybe to add to my next videos.
It was just great to see how many different effects you could do and how people told their stories.
To learn more about the class or to register, just click the link in the description just below. I hope I have the honor of working with you this summer in the class, Lights, Camera, Learning.